Welcome to another episode of Small Caps Live Trading. This video is for you that you trade penny stocks, and if you didn't figure out yet how to trade it, I can tell you a little bit about my story. I've been trading for about 27 years and very successfully large caps and futures. But since the last 8 years, I also wanted to experiment and trade small caps. In the beginning was one of the hardest tasks I ever did in my life. I didn't know how to trade, and the way I used to trade small caps had to be different, very different from the way I used to trade large caps and futures. So I was trading large stocks with small breakouts, tight, narrow consolidation breakouts, reversal plays, but that actually didn't work for small caps. So I started tracking what would work. All the setup, all the strategies out there, they seem outdated and they seem like not working or only maybe performing for a cycle, so for a short period of time and then changing. So I found out that what really matters in small caps is to track the manipulation, to see how the smart money actually manipulates the market and the plays. So I started tracking the liquidity pool traps. Imagine that in small caps, you have to look not for the breakout itself, but looking for when the breakout fails. So you short it, or when you have a fake breakdown and then you long it. So if you come from like trading in large caps where you're looking for daily breakouts, the way that you trade breakout trades in small caps, it wouldn't simply work. So we made a live video today. You can see the timestamps and me talking in my trading room, explaining this concept. So if you're interested in small caps, we have a trading room. It's more like a family. A lot of traders ask me why you have a trading room. Well, because I like to take with traders. I like to be with them. I like to teach them and tell them what I know, what it took me 27 years to get over here. This is my trading academy. We have night trading station over here. So you're also invited over here to trade with me live. Good luck.
Okay, guys, STKH. So you can see what we have right now. It's an extension play. This stock is on SSR, okay? So it means short seller restriction. This level we're going up is 460. This is the level where it tells you to buy, actually. Remember, always read the disclaimer. 75% of these gaps close green on the day. This is non-float. So the best on these stocks is to get them long, for a long scalp and out, even 20, 30 cents, and then boop, you leave it. So I'm waiting just if we can get the squeeze about 460, 480, which is this I-50 level play over here. Um, it takes a lot of patience. I mean, this morning, EZRA, they gave us some long and short. You can see over here, uh, very easy. The shorts, the longs, the shorts, the longs, the shorts, the longs. HYFM, over here, you can see where it gives us the long plays. You see the long plays, the short plays. This is the long over here before the open. EDBL, you will see where it gives the short play. You see the shorts we took, short of the gator here. So now we're looking into STKH. Okay. And unless I have that, pretty good level over here, I'm not going to trade. Okay. You can start looking for, a start over here, 450s, because that's our I-50 level over here on the hourly chart. And I can tell you, sorry, and I can tell you this level is definitely one of the most important level on the chart. It doesn't mean it will work 100%, But when I see this bar complete over here, that's a short play around 450, 440. Okay. What can happen that you enter, it will make an opposite of here bubble, and then you have to stop out. That's the reason why you can run it long and short. For now, we're looking for a shorter here for 44.50. Remember, it's SSR, so you have to short on the ask. I don't wait for the candle close. I just wait for the level and the rejection because I like to enter before we hear the play. Beautiful alert over here, 390. So thank you, first of all, Chris, for alerting this. Thanks, Chris. The beautiful resource over here for the room. And, we can see the play over here. Once it got to the level, we short over here, right? As soon as we alerted the short, we took that fill. And now what we're going to do, we're going to simply look for or break even. If it gets back over here, we're out of the play, or this is going to go down. So we're doing this live traders. You can see over here into, let me see where we are. Let's see where's the score. Yeah, there we go. We are live here on STKH in streaming. And now we have a target 280 TP. So we're going to stay with that target. And we're going to follow here that model that you can see is so simple. I think my daughter, which actually my daughter is much smarter than how you think. She's 2 years old. And not how you think, but I mean, like for her age, she's 2 years old, but she's more, I think, like a 4 years old baby. And she looks at charts with me over here. She knows how to count till 10. She knows all the alphabet already. She knows how to speak and make sentences. It's incredible. At our age, it was just like, probably playing with rocks. And I mean, she knows over here when it's red, it's a short. She knows daddy, daddy, she calls. That's a short. She knows it. You can see the sell over here. Now it's TP1. Okay, so the model tells you to take TP1 over here, which this is our J lines. And that's the new I-50 coming soon, very, very soon, guys. Very, very soon. Okay. Boom. Let's take a little bit more profit. It's nice. I recorded this short that we took. And yeah, it's not, for me, a huge trade. I prefer to trade large caps and futures with a little bit more size. Um, this is not my niche. I like to trade small some pre-market. Then, my niche is like trading large caps and futures. That's what I've been trading all life. But I know a lot of you traders are looking into small caps a lot. That smaller simply kills you. You simply have to look for the I-50 level. Where comes the sell and look for a short. The same over here when you take the longs, let's say HYFM, right? Um, this is the new model, and you will see over here where these greens, when you see these greens over here, that's the time where you want to buy. And over here where you want to sell, or if you want to short, that over here was a long play and a stop. Actually, we don't trade 915, but we have to be uh, basically telling you what we did. This was, for example, EDBL. You will see over here the short play this morning that happened. You can see these plays over here. Okay. So we got this play here and all the way down. And now we're still actually holding. And that's the play over here. You see first short, some covers, then short stop, short, and then all the way down over here. Okay. So we're actually holding. This was a decent trade. Then we had also PUSA, the short play over here. This is STKH that we're holding right now. So let it go. Okay, right, traders? Okay, this is how we trade in the small cap land.